Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Prajwal Kunder. I am from EEE department first year. Today I am here to discuss about the smart delivery drone. Introduction: the future of the efficient logistic unveiling the potential of the smart delivery drone. Current challenges of the logistics industries faces numerous challenges like traffic delivery delays and raising costs. These challenges call in innovative solutions to the streaming operation. Smart delivery drones have emerged as promoting technology that can address these issues efficiently by leveraging automatic flight, advanced navigation system, and real-time data analysis. Drones can revolutionize the way goods are transported. Benefits of smart delivery drone. Smart delivery drone offers several key benefits to the logistic industries. They enable faster deliveries, reduces cost, and improve efficiency. Drone can navigate through congested area like small area by passing traffics and delivery packages directly to the destination. With their abilities to access the remote location and operate round to the dock drone, the significantly enhance the speed and reliability of the logistic operation. Technological advancement. The rapid advancement of the technology has played a crucial role in the development of the smart delivery drone. Key technology advancement include miniaturizing sensors, machine learning algorithms, and real-time tracking system. This innovation enables a drone to automatically navigate, avoid obstacles, and optimize delivery drones. With ongoing research, the development we can expect from the improvement is drone capabilities and performance. Challenges and regulatory consideration. While the potential of some delivery drones is immense and several challenges and regulatory consideration to be addressed, these include the safety concerns, privacy, include the all traffic management, collaborative efforts, industries, integration of drone in the logistics system. Conclusion. Smart delivery drone hold a great promise of the future of the efficient logistics. By leveraging cutting the edge technology, these drones can revolutionize the way goods are transported, offering fast delivery, reduces the cost, and improve efficiency. However, addressing the challenges regulatory consideration is vital for the successful integration of drones into the logistic industries. Embracing the transformation technology will unlock the world of opportunities for the logistics sector. Thank you.